I'm at this beautiful location here in Indialantic, Florida, because I want to show you something really cool. I walked here with it in my pocket, DJI Neo. So this little drone, without a controller, without a phone, without anything. My phone is hooked to this. It's the only device I have with me. It's the phone recording me right now. This little drone can take off and follow you. It can do circles around you. It can do what's called a drone shot. It can direction track you. It can do some really cool stuff just right out of the box with AI. Now, it doesn't even have avoidance sensors. It's using its cameras and two little sensors on the bottom to know how high it is to track you. So the days of having to have GPS and all these things are gone, because this little thing is pretty incredible. And if you can imagine, I'm at the beach, so it's kind of windy out here. So I want to follow me, right? Push the button once. That's the drone shot. Circle. Rocket.
Spotlight. Direction track.
All right. So let's go follow. All right. Then I hold it down for 3 seconds.
Far. Follow. 3. Unable to take off. Aircraft in motion.
Oh, okay. I was moving.
Far. Follow. 3, 2, 1.
And now it'll just follow me wherever I go. The drone is going to come behind me, and whenever I'm finished going wherever I want to go, I stand here in front of it still. I reach out my hand. Right on my hand. That's cool stuff. So as you can also see, I've got it in the app. Got the app mode out here. The app, you have all of those modes there, your follow, droning, circle, rocket, spotlight, all that. But you also can go into settings, and you can choose your follow distance. I like it far. Let's have it follow me flat. You have more control over what's going on, right? So we're going to have it follow me, right? And I'm going to walk to the beach.
3, 2, 1.
And you can see how it's recording me in the app. It puts a nice green box around me and follows away. Now it's also recording video and audio from this little Bluetooth microphone on my chest into the drone. Now the Bluetooth, I've got a Bluetooth into my phone. You can just use your phone for the audio if you choose. I like, oh, look at this rope. Is it ADHD for me to stop and see how cool of a rope that is? Look at that. All right, so it should go high. So this is the follow and what is the high setting. I'll be honest, that's not real high, but I guess you call it high. It's going to follow me as I go. Now, DJI says not to do this over water. I think it's 20% reflectivity. You know, with the ocean moving like this, I don't think reflectivity is a problem. Now, if it did go down right now, salt water would be a big problem for my old drone buddy right there. So I'm not going to do that a lot. I'm lying. I'll probably do it all the time.